Hello my fellow idiots, and we're back finally with episode 6, Handlers. Right, I mentioned in the vlog what we're going to be doing. We're going to be taking our commands and separating them and putting them into their own files, and we're going to do the exact same with the events, right? I've already edited my settings JSON file so you don't see anything. I've added a prefix, I've done everything to prep this for what we're about to do. Right, just quickly, I'm on the wrong thing. Just create a new blank file because we are going to stick our entire message event as soon as I find it. There it is. I'm going to stick our entire message event in there because we want to do something with that later. Right. Okay, we're going to delete a bunch of events that we don't need, or what we're going to be doing later in the series. We don't need role create, delete or update. We don't need guild delete create. We do need guild member add and remove. We don't need guild member speaking. We're going to keep guild member update so we can keep track of users who change their nicknames and the usernames. Guild update, no, we don't need that. Ban, add and remove, yes, we need to track those. Okay. Channel stuff, no. Message delete, no. I'm going to do a caveat with the message delete. Basically, some moderation bots actually log messages when they get deleted, just in case anyone decided to spam then, or post porn, for example, and remove all evidence. We had an incident like that not so long ago on Discord official JS, on our Discord server. So one of our bots, I'm not saying which one, but one of our bots now monitors the message delete event. And we definitely don't need, actually we don't need any of the client events. Right, those can stay in the main class file. Okay. Alright. Okay, now we want to make a couple of folders. We need to make a utility folder. We want to make a events folder. Inside the utility folder, we'll create a new file, and it'll be event loader.js. Right, I just need to consult my notes. Okay. Const required event equals event, and yes, I am copy typing, just to remind myself. Require ... because we need to go back a directory, events, and I should totally forgot, I need to actually do template literals because I need to do this. Yes. Module dot exports equals client, because we will be passing the client arrow function with a semicolon. Right, this is where you put all of the events that you will require. So you got guild member, add, remove, update, guild ban, remove, ready, disconnect, reconnect. So we want to do client.on and the name of the event, ready, comma. Then you want to require event and you want to pass the. Almost forgot. Got to do an arrow function because it's a function because you're passing a function argument or some gibberish. And that is your ready event. We'll just do this 2 more times for the reconnecting event. Reconnecting, disconnected. Is it disconnect or disconnect? Oh no, it's disconnect. Keep getting those two mixed up. Right. I'm going to just throw in the message event. Because we're not passing a client argument to it. So that is basically ready. So we'll save that. Now, I need to really look at my notes because there's something I forgot last time I did this. Oh yeah, I remember. Okay. Require utility event loader client. Now that should work. So let's go into the events directory. Let's create the ready event. So we just call it ready.js. And we just take this and put it in there. But we almost forgot, we need to do this. Module.exports client arrow function and stick this inside your arrow function. Now, we are requiring chalk there, so we need to copy chalk from there and put it there. So let's save that. Let's actually delete the ready event from our main file and save that. Let's fire up the bot. Okay, I need to snap. Oh, and I need that idiot bot. Should come online if I remembered everything, which is a distinct possibility that I haven't. Say I forgot something. Oh, it's trying to find the event's message already. Okay. Well, let's just comment all these ones out first. Let's just for testing, let's just comment all those out. I'm online, and the bot is indeed online. So we've successfully managed to pull the ready event from our main file and into its own file. So let's do new file, reconnecting.js and disconnect.js. And basically it's the same thing. Just copy the client or the example client modules and just cut I need to do that one as well. Copy, paste, cut, paste. Right, those events are now done. Now, I best do the message event. Okay, new file, message.js, and it's basically the same thing. Require this, but off the top of my head, I think you just do that. I cannot remember. Let me just go consult something. 1 second. Right, I was wrong. All I need to do is change that to message. Hope I didn't keep you waiting too long. Okay, and now this is from us. We want to take. No. We're not doing that. We are going to add our command handler now. I'll get back to the events, but since we're doing the message event, it makes sense to do the command handler. So const args equal message dot content dot split and split at the space. Const command equal args dot shift slice settings dot prefix dot length. I need to require settings const settings equals require. You remember how to do this, guys, but remember double dot because we're going back in directory. Settings dot json and semicolon. Okay, now that's working for the command prefix. So yeah, I need to actually tell it to. Did I click that? Yeah, you need to actually stick that in here so it knows to ignore everything unless it has a prefix. Okay, we'll do a try catch. Try catch error. Okay, now let command file equal require dot. No. Now to tell you that is correct. Dot date. No. What? Yes, I have to go back a directory. Commands. I will be making a command folder in a second. Command. Command file dot run. Client. Message args. Console.log command failed, new line, then I need $sign e.stack semicolon. Right, that is basically all we need for our command handler. Now it's just taking our commands and sticking them in their own files, which we'll do in a minute. I just want to review my notes. We need to create, this might end up complaining, we need to create a commands folder. Now, not in the events folder, you stupid. Not edit, undo, edit, undo. Okay, never mind, I'll find that folder and delete it. New folder, commands. Right. We're going to make a reload command. Just so I can show you how to do it. Right, we need the exports.run function client message args semicolon. Now, where is const main. Now this is going to sound a bit weird, but trust me, it works. Require dash app.js. We want the command to require the main file because I'll show you in a minute. Let command equal args.join at the space, main.reload message command. Right, what that does is with it requiring the main file, it's trying to access the reload function, which is what we're going to be adding in a second. And it passes on the message event and the name of the command it wants to reload. So, right here I'll do. I'm actually not going to type this out. I'm just going to copy and paste it because this one's a bit big. Basically, what this is trying to do, as you see, it's got the message and the command. It's trying to delete the required cache of the command. Then it's trying to reacquire it in case there's been any updates. And then it'll output either if it failed or if it was a success at reloading. Now, I don't really have any commands other than command. Well, let's fix that. New file, ping.js. So we're going to go into our, let's close a couple of these. Let's close reload, ready, reconnect and disconnect. Okay, we want to look at this. I just saw ping as well. Ping. So all we need, besides this line, is module. No, it's exports. Exports.run equals function client message args, but it's going to complain that well, if I was using a linter, it's going to complain that I'm not using the args. So it's not complaining here. I might cover it in like a future episode after the series is done. But yeah, now it's online. Now, if I remember the prefix, so if I do prefix ping, okay, that did not work. Something happened. Did I uncomment the? No, I did not. That's why it's not working. Okay, right. Now let's try it. Ping. And we crashed. Why did we crash? E is not defined. Oh, yeah. My bad. My bad. This is why you always double check what you're typing. And we crashed again. Why are we crashing? Client is not defined. Events message. I didn't. There isn't a client. Oh, where? Where's client? Okay, right. Just give me a minute, guys. Just give me a minute. I forgot something. I forgot to do const client equals message.client. How else are you going to get the client object? Right, now this should work. If not, I'm going to be really annoyed. Hey! It responded and crashed. Wait, what? Oh, it's trying to fucking listen to itself, I think. Cannot find the module commands on. That's a new one. We have a look at ping. Yeah, that is a new one. Why is it trying to do that? Oh, wait. No, there's no prefix. So why are you not ignoring the prefix? Well, it's working. But let's check the up. Oh wait, no, I can't. Because the moment I save this, the entire thing's going to save. So let's just do reload ping. Forbidden. What is forbidden? Message it. That's what's wrong. Message.channel.send message. Any knows any. Oh. My bad. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I'm having all sorts of trouble this episode, guys. Okay, now let's try it. Reload, ping. Hey, ping reload was a success. But for some reason, it's just not wanting to do. What the hell? Yeah. Argument shift slice settings prefix length. I have no idea. Actually, I just realised I'm not actually using that. Let's get rid of that. Oh wait, I haven't actually got the code in there to ignore non-prefixed. That's what I need to do. Yeah, there we go. I was forgetting these two variables. Right. Yeah, there we go. And I'll say pong. Ping pong. Right. Now it shouldn't really crash. Hey. It's still crashing. Why the fuck are you crashing? Shoot me now! Const pref. Wait, no, don't need to do that. Just do settings dot prefix. Okay. Ping. Pong! Reload, ping. Ping reload was a success. Right. Now that I've stopped derping, we've managed to get commands off of this. Got 2 commands there. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 events there. Now I just need to basically just keep doing what you're doing. I mean, I'm not too sure on how to do these. That I could probably figure out. But yeah, I'm probably gonna call like part 1 here, because this is going to be a big episode, because I want to walk you guys through basically every step. We've got, let's see, we've got all that done. We don't need role create, don't need to give or take roles. Purge, that is a good one to keep. Right, we're not doing voice stuff. We've done ping, we don't need to send, don't need those, don't need that. So mainly, actually let's do the purge. New file, purge.js. And remember, we need to grab that, close it, semi it. And it's just copy and paste. Now that is args dot. Always join it, because otherwise it's going to be technically an array. And there you go. Let's just save this. And if we do purge 5, there we go. So I'm going to leave the part 1 here. I'm going to read up and refresh, because obviously I did quite a few derps this episode. So yeah, I'm going to go learn, read, study, go through it once or twice myself. Then I'm going to come back and do part 2. So if you enjoyed the episode, guys, please leave a like. If you really enjoyed it, let me know in the comments below. If you have any feedback, suggestions, questions, again, comment section down below. I always read, I always respond, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But just please remember, I'm an idiot, what do I know? Bye!